chemotherapy is life-saving rather than people think it kills people. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Misra, Senior Consultant Radiation Oncology, Apollo Cancer Center, Bhubaneswar. Today I'll speak on chemotherapy, what is it and what are the myths. Chemotherapy is a drug which is given through IV and it cures cancer. So before the invention of many chemotherapies, many cancers are incurable. So with the invention of chemotherapies, breast cancers, lymphomas, leukemias, there are multiple variety of cancer which has become curable. So in early age, in young age, in middle age, chemotherapy has less toxicity. In elderly people, like more than 70, 75, with poor general condition, chemotherapy can be toxic. So we decide what kind of chemotherapy we give, and sometimes we add immunotherapy and targeted therapy to chemotherapy. So the myths for chemotherapy are like people think once we plan chemotherapy, we suggest chemotherapy, they say no chemotherapy. You suggest any other thing but no chemotherapy. But certain cancers, chemotherapy is a must and the toxicities are easily manageable. So when chemotherapy is indicated, don't deny. People think if we are advised for chemotherapy, we will not have children, like we lost the power of fertility. It's not like that. Some chemotherapy, some specific drugs can cause little hormonal changes, but they can be managed. Sometimes we advise them to preserve their sperm and ovum to do artificial insemination or artificial baby production when the patients are very young. Apart from that, when we suggest patient to take chemotherapy, they think that if there is no hair loss, the chemotherapy doesn't work. It's not like that. So there are some specific chemotherapy drugs where hair loss happens, and 70 to 80% of chemotherapy drugs, there will be no hair loss. So that doesn't mean it doesn't work. So if some specific chemotherapies are given, that time hair loss will be there, and they're not permanent. They're temporary. Within 4 to 5 months after chemotherapy is over, hair comes back, full hair grows again. So no need to worry about hair loss. And there are certain chemotherapies, they cause nausea, vomiting, of course. So highly emetogenic, medium emetogenic and low emetogenic drugs are there. तो जिसमें ज़्यादा वोमिटिंग होता है वो उसके लिए हम प्रिकॉशनरी मेडिसिन देते हैं. एंड आजकल इतने एडवांस्ड इंजेक्शंस और टैबलेट्स आए हैं कि व्हेन वी आर गिविंग दैट देयर विल बी नो वोमिटिंग एब्सोल्युटली और नो डायरिया. So nothing to worry about the toxicity about nausea, vomiting post chemotherapy.